And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe. You're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger. I took 4 trades today on my Take Profit Trader 25K funded account, aka Lazarus. That account is called Lazarus. So now when I say the account Lazarus, we're talking about the 25K Take Profit Trader Pro funded account, man. As you guys didn't know, that account was almost dead, gone. I had $50 in intraday trailing drawdown. We was $1,000 and brought it all the way back to break even, man. Crazy trading yesterday, but today is Friday, June 27th, man, and I'm getting ready to show you these trades that I took. All right, guys, all my trades were on micro NASDAQ on a 5-minute time frame. As you guys know, NASDAQ has been creating higher highs. Today is Friday, so it's a reversal day. As you guys can see, we're tanking. So I'll show you the trades that I took before this major trade. This is the trade that gave me profit today, but I'll show you the other trades. Let's start with the first one. So the first 5-minute demand setup I seen was this one. So I ended up getting in this trade. Here lately, it's been like barely touching my white line or my demand zone that I'm in buys, of course, because I haven't been looking for sales. Is because the market just keeps going up. So why take sales when the market is trending in a buy market? Here lately, the market has been not but barely touching my demand zones, and so it'll be leaving without me. So I said, you know what, I'm going to get in early. So I ended up waiting until this candle closed. It didn't close, and then when I started seeing this yellow candle go up, that's when I got in on this 5-minute demand setup. Clearly it went against me, so that's a loss. And so I said, okay, I believe that if the market doesn't respect this 5-minute demand zone, I drew out another 5-minute demand zone right below it. I said, I'm going to catch it on the way down to this second white line demand setup. So I ended up catching that trade going down to that 5-minute demand zone. They ended up playing out right. So then I ended up making my money back. So I noticed that the market did respect this white line, because if I go zoom in, you will see that the red candle respected this 5-minute demand zone. I wanted to wait. I didn't want to get in so fast, but I ended up doing it anyway. So that's the first trade. That's the second trade. The third trade was kind of like a break even. I got in and got out because I didn't like the positioning. As you guys can see, all them wicks and stuff, I didn't like that. I ended up getting in. I was in small profit, but I ended up moving my stop loss to break even, and it ended up stopping me out. So no money made. The trade that really done it for me. So we lost one, we won one, break even. This is the trade that gave me my profit, guys. So I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame, man. All right, so we on the 1 hour time frame. This is what I saw that made so much sense to me, guys. What do you guys see? I see a beautiful, I'm talking about crispy 1 hour demand setup. I said, man, so what ended up happening was the market is going up, and then I see the market start tanking down. I said, here we go. And there was news today. It was core index or something like that. It was CPI, but the lower version of CPI news. And so I took this trade at about 7:35 because I don't know whether Take Profit Trader will let me trade this since it's CPI news. So I just decided not to get in early. I wanted to, but I ended up waiting a little bit. So the news came out at 7:30 a.m. and at 7:35 I placed my trade. So I noticed that the market kept coming down. It kept coming down. I said, I'm not going to get in yet because I want to make sure that the market is going to respect. We can move this. Confusing. I want to make sure the market is going to respect this 1 hour demand zone. So you guys see, we got a red candle, and shortly after the red candle, we got yellow, and then the market formed a demand setup, leaving gaps to be filled. So as it was coming down, I'm like, ooh wee, this thing looks so good, man. It got all the way down here. I said, if this market breaks past my stop loss, I'm not gonna get in, because it's sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. But once I seen that it didn't come past my stop loss, I said, oh, I'm finna get in. So I got in right where that white line was at. I was watching that joker like a hawk, man. As you guys can see, I ended up getting in perfectly right there where my long position was, man. That trade ended up giving me $226 and a little bit of change. Perfect trade, man. I just wanted a 25-point stop loss, grab me a little profit, and be on by my day, man. I could have got more, but I decided not to, because I didn't know what was going to happen. Because like I said, Fridays is normally a reversal day. I didn't know NASDAQ would keep pumping up and keep breaking structure to the upside. I thought that today being Friday, this joker was going to reverse hard. It did, but you know what I'm saying? It broke structure first, and now it's tanking. But we ended up grabbing that little trade, man. So we had, again, we ended up losing, winning, break even, and the trade that gave us our money, boom, $226 and some change. And as you guys can see, if I go to the account, Lazarus ended up giving me $200. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was $226. Dang, I shorted myself. We ended up making $266 and no change. I was wrong, man. So that's the profit that we made today, guys. So I'm going to show you the Apex account. So if I go over here to the Apex account, just to show you guys, we did not trade today. I showed you guys yesterday, but confirming that we still have this account, and this account is sitting at a pretty good spot. We have this account back at its highest peak. We're doing pretty good, man. We just gotta keep finding the setups and using proper risk management, man. That's my game plan, guys, is to just push these things over, but use it the right way. All right, so those are my two funded accounts. So what I decided to do today, guys, was get a My Funded Futures 50K account. Only because My Funded Futures has a deal going on right now to where if you buy a Starter Plus or Expert account, not the Starter account, if you buy a Starter Plus or an Expert account, once you pass the account, you get a free eval. So that means it doesn't matter how long, and I read the instructions, it does not matter how long. Once you buy the account before Sunday, once you buy a My Funded Future Starter Plus an Expert account before Sunday, they honor that. So it's like, why not get it now and then just trade however long I want to, or even if I blow the eval. Say for instance I blow it like within 5 days or something, they still honor it. Say for instance it's been almost 1 or 2 months later until after I pass it. Guess what? Because I bought it before the sale ends on Sunday, they still honor the account. So I can have this account forever until I pass and I get a free eval. Sign me up. That's crazy. Why not take that deal, man? When I pass it, I'm automatically going to get a free eval. So it's like, that's a no-brainer, man. I was going to do it last week, but I'm like, nah, I don't need no more evals right now. I want to focus on my funded accounts. Now that I've gotten my funded accounts up where I want to and brought Lazarus back to life, I was like, man, I'll take another chance on another account. I did have 3. I had a Top Step 50K funded account, but ended up blowing it because I kept getting bottom tick to top tick and just got mad and just poof, be gone. So I was like, let me start a My Funded Futures account. And once I saw that deal, I was going to end up getting one anyway, because I want another end of the day drawdown. I can pay for an account for almost like $100-something and no activation fee, whereas Top Step you got to pay $50 and then another $150 for the activation fee. That's $200. So I'm like, why don't I just buy My Funded Futures? That's another good prop firm, end of the day drawdown, and it only costs $100. And it's no activation fee. Once I pass it, it's like I only had the account. I like to try to have them no more than a month. So it's like no activation fee. That's $100 cheaper. And then on top of that, I didn't know they had the deal going on to where if you buy the eval within this time period they have this sale, they still honor it. So it might take me 2 or 3 months before I pass, but that's not going to be me. I'm just going to try to push it over because it's an eval. So it's like they still honor it. Either way, when I pass this thing, I'm going to get a free eval. I was like, that's the best deal out here. I ain't heard nobody else doing that. But I'm getting ready to show you that I started the account. Alright guys, I just logged into my funded futures 50K account. And as you guys can see, we started it today, man. I'm not trading this joker today, man. The market is pretty much done to me. It's Friday. It's not gonna move like I wanted to. I'm gonna just start off fresh next week. We have these funded accounts at a decent spot, ready to go next week. We'll have a fresh eval next week, the trade week, man. So we've officially started it today. So yeah, man, that was a really good trade earlier, man. That 1 hour demand was a picture perfect trade, man. I'm just learning to wait, not getting in so aggressive. Cause had I went in aggressive as it was coming down, it could have stopped me out and then took off. So I'm learning to wait to see if it's going to respect my short position or my long position. Like today, I waited and it did not go past my stop loss or where I would have placed the trade. It didn't go past my red shaded area on my long position, so that gave me indication like, hey, this thing wants to pump up. The market respected that 1 hour. I started seeing it go up. Boom, I got in, made my money today, man. Good trade today. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers Corey the phone trader got coming out. Make sure you tap in and make sure you lock in. That was a lot. But yeah, man, tell a friend, tell another friend, man. We have 981 subscribers. We are 19 subscribers away from being monetized. Tell your family members, tell your mama, your pawpaw, tell your mama, your daddy, your cousins, your third cousins, your second cousins, your grandkids. Tell everybody to sign up and make sure they subscribe to Corey the Phone Trader channel, man, so we can hit that 1K subs. Once we hit 1K subscribers, guys, I'm going to check this out. I'm going to do this with, I'm doing it with my own money, but I'm going to put in extra work, man. Working Spark. Spark is where I deliver groceries and stuff to people's houses. I'm going to put in extra time. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway, man. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I just want to show appreciation to everybody out there that's watching me. I will be giving you money like from Cash App, Zelle, or something like that, man. I don't know, but I'm putting you on notice. Once we hit 1K subscribers, I will be giving you guys money to buy evals or whatever you want to do with it, man. I would prefer you use it for your trading, you know what I'm saying? So hey, man, you can use that same money I'm giving you to invest it to make more money. Why not do that? So yeah, man, make sure, hey, if y'all want this giveaway, hey, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell all your family members that Corey the Phone Trader channel is 19 subscribers away from being monetized and he doing a giveaway. Just know that it's coming. And when I bless, I like to bless big. So hopefully when we hit 1K, I have a payout, and then that'll be more giveaway money I give away, man. But if not, we'll do a little giveaway, and then once I get a payout, we're gonna do another big giveaway, man. I just want to bless other people. It's no fun when I'm over here making money and everybody else is struggling. Look, let me help you out. Let me bless you. You know what I'm saying? So you can start making money or do something. You know what I'm saying? I want to see everybody eat. I want to see everybody happy and a smile on their face out here getting money, man. And I feel like I can contribute and help out, man. So peace, blessings. Y'all stay tuned. Love y'all. Have a blessed weekend. And you know the motto after every video in 3, 2, 1. We had a good day. I holla, man. Peace out, baby. Deuces.